It's a beautiful day to buy a travel trailer, camper, or motor coach. I'm JRV at Camping World in Buford under the great big American flag right off of 85 in Buford. Come see me today to get your new RV. Sure and ask for me, JRV, because now you have a friend in the RV business. This is a new 2026 Forest River Campsite Ultra 21DF. Tips the scales at just under 6,000 pounds, 5,688, sleeps 7, 25 feet 10 inches. Does have a nice slide on it. Beautiful styled automotive windshield, windscreen as some call it. This is a bunk setup. Tandem axle unit, outdoor speakers, TV hookups. It is a Murphy bed situation. The bed converts into a couch. Plenty of overhead storage. Nice old dinette. Good size for your young refrigerator. Little tub for dogs and kids. Nice sink area. And we have the bunks. 2 separate windows. 3-burner stove. Microwave. Air fryer combo. TV. Convenience hooks. Stainless steel dropped in sink. And a bottle wash. This is a beautiful unit. Campsite Ultra. These are great little units. We can make you a happy camper. Come get one of these today.